So I have a question from Surah At-Takwir, verse 10.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وَإِذَا الْمَوْءُودَةُ سُئِلَتْ بِأَيِّ ذَنبٍ قُتِلَتْ. Translation is, and when the female infant buried alive is questioned about, for what crime was she killed?
Sir, could you kind of explain to us the meaning of this verse?
Is it apparent? I don't see any reason why you should fail to understand the meaning of this verse. It's so clear. It speaks of an age when it will be the law, which will law made by people, of course, but which will also coincide with Allah's law, which will govern the whole world. Universally, the right to kill your own people will be withdrawn from the governments, and no one will be permitted to kill his own boys or girls. Rule of the law, universally applicable. This is what is being prophesied. In Arabia, the Arabs thought they possessed their children, so they could defy the society as long as they remained, as they worked within the domain of their own family. If they killed anybody else, they would be answerable. But if they killed their own daughters, they would not be answerable. This is the prophecy that this will change, completely change. A new world would appear where law will be given precedence over other things. So this prophecy we have seen fulfilled all over the world. And the governments are going more into the detail of how much control parents can have over their children.